Hi there and welcome to this 2017 Ferrari GT4 Lusso. As you can see, this car is beautiful. This is a V12 version, so it's four-wheel drive. Come and have a look around it and straight away you'll notice this very, very beautiful metallic grey. This car's got a lovely, lovely specification. Straight away you're seeing the carbon fibre lower skirt there with the black Ferrari badges. 360 camera you'll notice on this car with parking sensors. Moving around here you're going to see the lovely matte black, satin black, should we say, alloy wheels with the yellow calipers and the yellow Scuderia shields. And at the lower section of the car there, the carbon fibre side skirts. Most important in this car, it's got the panoramic sunroof and the full privacy glass on the vehicle. And coming around to the back of this car, again, the black badges and then the black tail tips on the exhaust system. Just look how those lights look. 360 camera saying, so you've got the reversing camera there. That rear end of this car is absolutely awesome. Let's just open the boot here and let's just see this spec plaque in the boot here. Power tailgate. And if you just go onto there, look, you'll just see that is a big, big spec car. This car gets even better. So let's open the driver's door. You'll notice there you've got the carbon kick plates as you get in the vehicle. And look at that colour combo. It is awesome. It just suits it so, so well. Carbon fibre driver zones, LED steering wheel. It's got the upgraded sound system. It really has got everything on this vehicle. It's such a special car. So just to recap on the vehicle, 2017, 17,000 miles, GT4 Lusso, V12, on a website today. That is a proper bit of kit. Come and give us a call at Scott Hardy Automotive. Thank you.